Hello everyone! Welcome to Kids Files, where we are going to do daily English practice conversation. Before we start, answer these questions. Do you eat at fast food restaurants often? What is your favorite food? What do you usually drink? Good! Now let's learn how to order in English. Let's practice together. Listen and speak with me. Let's start! Today's topic is ordering food at a fast food restaurant.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, it's right above.
Okay, thank you. I'm ready to order.
Go ahead.
I'd like cheeseburger, please.
Okay, would you like a combo?
What comes with the combo?
It comes with fries and a drink.
Okay, I'll take the combo.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a Coke.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd like an extra order of fries.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Dine in or takeaway?
Dine in.
Your total is $15.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Please wait your number. Here's your order.
Thank you. Excuse me? Where can I throw the trash away?
Over there, near the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.